these are the days that I live for. We dug out 2 holes, 1 hole yesterday, got another one to dig out today. We dug it out down there. That's the one we're gonna dig out today. That's our truck. That's our dump truck right there. Backhoe. We got 2 concrete trucks that are pouring a house pad. We got the pump truck's been set up since 5:30. We got these people leaving their house. This woman took off towards the other hole. She is upset. She's mad for the exhaust. Concrete truck was backing up down the road. And this guy was really seems too upset about it. But it's kind of busted. We're about to start digging. And anyway, I got here this morning and I talked to the concrete pump truck guy. So I said, hey, look, we're gonna pour 50% concrete, 50% water. He said trying to save some money. He said, oh, I can't blame you for that. I said, no, I'm just joking. We're doing asphalt. He goes, oh man, he was excited about that. He was like, oh, it's gonna be an easy day. Clean out's gonna be a breeze.